Good morning, AP gang. It's your girl, Asia Pete, and I am back with another freaking video. It is currently 7:39. I am up really early. We're going on a little road trip to surprise Roshaw because we're getting something new. I can tell y'all, but we're about to go pick up a new car, but we have to go like out to Philly from Carvana, so we're surprising Roshaw because he doesn't know. So right now I'm up getting ready. I'm about to get the baby clothes and stuff. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned because I'm gonna be trying to record as we're on the road and stuff like that. So I'm very excited. I can't wait to see Rash's reaction. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's get it. Let's go. Oh, did I say good morning? I think I said good morning, but I'm gonna say good morning again anyway. Good morning. This is my little fit. Let me show y'all my shoes. When these came out, I was fiending. I'm gonna put these on. It matched perfect. Shaq bought me this shirt because he bought me, well, I bought the sneakers, but he saw the shirt and he was like, you gotta get it. So yeah, this is my little outfit for today. Rasha wearing his black sweatpants in the Fortnite. The baby wearing sweatpants too. Girl, it's cold in New York, so yes. But like I said, y'all, stay posted. Watch the whole video to the end. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, we'll be back soon. Okay. What's up, AP gang? It's your girl, Asia Pete.
And it's your boy, Roshaw.
And it's your boy, baby Shaq. And we are back with another freaking video. And make sure you guys
like, comment,
and subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications. Like I told y'all earlier, we're going out. The baby just gotta get dressed. Say good morning. Rasha is dressed. He just gotta change his pants. I'm dressed, and then we're gonna head out the door. So y'all stay tuned. I just wanted to show y'all the boys. He be mad when he see his brother. But yeah, y'all. I wanted to show y'all the boys before we left out, and well, we're getting ready, but before we leave out and hit the road. He watching his little cartoons, y'all. But yes, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. They're not even in the video. And turn on the post notification bell. I am recording on my phone, so yeah. They both just stuck in TV, but we'll be back soon. Bye.
1 hour later.
All right, you guys. It's 40 something. We are heading to the car.
9:45.
9:45. We're heading to the car. About to take this little road trip. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm excited. All right, guys. Currently, we're in the car. Yes, we're a little squished up. Our car is a little hoopty, but
What is the clear?
yes. We about to peel off soon. Shaq had to run upstairs to get something because we forgot. But I'm excited. We about to hit the road.
I can't wait when we get there. I have a big feeling. Zach said we're going to SeaWorld, so I think we're going.
We're not going to SeaWorld. But
and I think we're going to the movie theaters. Whatever.
we're not going to the movie theaters. But yeah, y'all.
Wait, are you going?
I'm not telling you anything.
Is it start with that?
I'm not telling you anything. But like I said, you guys, I'm excited. Stay tuned. excited, guys. So, yeah, let me finish snacking. I just wanted to come and update you guys really quickly. I'll see y'all soon.
1 hour later.
Alright, you guys, we are currently, what, 6 minutes out? Baby's still sleeping, I don't know. But yes, we are currently 6 minutes away. You know, I said I had to keep y'all updated, but we are 6 minutes away. We are in Philly. It wasn't a bad drop. The baby did really, really good. I'm super, super excited. Yeah, I'll let y'all know when we get there. We'll be pulling up shortly, about 5 to 4 minutes, so look out.
A few moments later.
How we are pulling up. Welcome to, can I say it out loud? Mm-hmm. Welcome to Carvana. Roshaw, what you think we about to do?
I don't know.
What you think we about to do?
Get another car.
Oh, I don't know. We at Carvana. Y'all. Ooh. I'm excited. I'm about to show y'all what it look like when we get out, so stay tuned.
I'm so confused.
Oh, it's recording. So, Shaq is getting his paperwork ready, y'all. The baby's still sleeping. Roshaw ain't paying me no mind. We're gonna see the car come from here, so we can watch the car come from here. But it's gonna be like right behind us, y'all. Look at the businessman. Look at the businessman. I don't know yet. It's coming. But yeah, stay tuned. We about to get the car, y'all. Alright, you guys. We are at Carvana. I don't know. My phone just came off. We made it to Carvana. I'm excited. Look at Roshaw. But we're ready. We're ready. Ow. My phone just fell off my little thing, but I'll fix it. Stay tuned, y'all. This way. Oh, baby, do work. So we're in Carvana, y'all. Give it a little car time.
A few moments later.
Ross is about to drop the coin. Go ahead. Uh-oh.
You gotta watch it from over here. Look, Roshaw.
Look. My camera. Car is over.
It's right at the bottom, too.
Oh, it's right there. I'm excited. Bam! Look at that. New car, who's this? How you feel?
Happy.
How you feel? It's coming. Look at our new baby, guys.
It's white.
Yep, it's white. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It ain't gonna stay that white long. Low key, I'm about to run. Look at the new baby, our new car. I'm fucking excited. I'm so excited. I'm super proud of us. We're getting rid of this. Bye, little hoopty Toyota. We've been through everything with you. I'm gonna miss you so much. This was our old car, our very first car ever. This was our first car. We're getting rid of it now. Oh, I'm gonna miss you, little blue car. You did everything, been through everything. We done put some work in this bitch, but
you
we got the new one.
Our third vacation. I'm gonna miss you.
We're gonna miss you, blue baby.
You
Very first car, our very first car. But now, baby, look at this.
You drive
Look at
us
the
to
new
our
car.
that car drive us to our third vacation.
Ah, Shaq got the keys. He got the keys. Look at our car. We got the keys. Thank you.
You're welcome. So if you just want to come and grab it, we're going to take it. We'll make your temporary plate for you, okay?
Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
We got a new car. We got a new car. Let me show y'all this. We all got one lit.
This one's for the baby.
Okay,
This is heavy.
it is.
Look, if you take a picture with the car and post it with these tags, they'll post us.
We're gonna do that.
Did you come here for your first car?
No, we bought the first car. I'm super proud of us.
This is so cool.
Shout out to Carvana. Look at our car. I'm excited. Carvana. And we got a token. I know my phone is like all over the place. I don't like this little thing that I got, but this is the car, y'all. Look at the trunk space. Now we got motherfucking space in the trunk, y'all.
Oh my.
Yeah, look at the seats.
I want to try to take it.
We got cushion seats. Yes, look at this. I like that. I like this. Ooh.
Can I try to?
This is the front. Got some nice seats. Shaq started it up. This is the back. Now we got space. Yes. My duty man been asleep all day. He been sleeping all day, little dookie man. But let me enjoy this. I'll get back to y'all. Look at our new
Look at that
baby.
shine!
Roshaw annoying.
I think I lost my voice.
Goodbye, blue car. Hello, new car.
1 hour later.
Universe.
All right, you guys, we are in Applebee's.
This is so delicious.
We are in Applebee's now. Currently stopping to get something to eat. We're just gonna vlog the rest of the day. We are in Philly. We'll be home soon. We got one more stop, and then we're going home. The baby legit slept like this whole time. So we're about to wake him up and let him eat and stuff. So
Yeah.
yes.
I ordered this, the Flamin' Hot Cheetos. And this, the chicken tenders and some fish fries. I know what my mom ordered. A cheeseburger.
I didn't order cheeseburgers.
Taco.
But yes, you guys,
taco.
make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification
Push the
bell. Roshaw got the flaming hot chicken, boneless chicken. Flaming hot Cheetos, boneless chicken. How it taste?
Amazing.
That look like they look like mozzarella sticks. He said it's amazing.
One eternity later.
All right, what's up, you guys?
We are back.
We finally made it home.
Yeah.
Coming home from Philly was like horrible. It was
Yeah.
crazy getting home. Like the traffic was ridiculous.
I got a mixed potato head at Walmart.
We got the car, we went to Applebee's, we went to Walmart, and we hit the road about
But there's
4.
something in. Sorry, but there's something in.
It's his body parts. But we hit the road like 4:45, almost 5, and we just now getting home, you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was really cool going through the process of getting a car. I hope you guys enjoyed going through the process with us. We were super excited. It was a way more smoother ride getting home. This little guy was a little fussy, but he was in the car for extremely too long anyway. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bells so you know when we drop a new video. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Oh, what else? Yeah.
Yeah, what he said.
What else? Say subscribe to the channel. Oh, yep. What else?
Then what?
Say subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, do what he said.
Say like, comment, and subscribe. No, he trying to play with his brother. But all right, you guys.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, we're gonna end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoy making it for you guys. Yeah, let's get it. Let's go.